It's the new Suron. Mark just picked this up. It's the last guy I thought would ever have one. Wow! Bro, he said the top speed is like 49 miles an hour, he said. Oh. Wow, the braking ability. Wow. Whoa. So he said he gonna put different tires on top of this thing. Wow. And the thing feel like it plenty air pressure.
Yeah, because the tires are thin.
This is the charging port he was telling me. Why even lift this up though? What is the purpose of lifting that up?
Oh, the battery's under there. So you can unlock this.
Oh.
And if you can disconnect these two,
Yeah.
the battery goes right out.
Oh, like
So
a cartridge.
Yeah, so you can charge it off of the bike. If you
What
want.
is the max? What is the charge time?
I think it's like 2 hours.
Suri,
The company name is called.
No, but you never buy them locally here.
No, nobody has it.
What?
Luna Cycles in El Segundo, California.
And they will ship them to you?
Yeah. Well, I had to arrange the shipping.
Cause a lot of times we run into problem with the battery. They don't like ship the battery.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
So I had to use DHS.
Oh, and they will ship the battery.
Yeah. They ship the whole box. The box has everything in the box.
Oh yeah. So the name of the company was Luna Cycles.
Yeah. And the name of this is
The
Suron X.
X.
So X, you see this controller right here?
Yeah.
This is the X controller.
The ECU, the electronic control unit.
So it's a better controller than X.
Better ECU.
Yeah.
Wow. How big is the tires?
19 inch.
19, front and rear.
Yeah. Exactly the same size front and rear.
Wow, 19 inch.
So you figure a lot of the smaller bore motorcycle dirt bikes is 19 inch.
Yeah.
So you can use those tires.
And the headlights on all the time.
Yeah. Some people put a switch on it. But
Oh. What about for the rear yellow light? Oh yeah, yellow light. Oh, stay over there.
Then,
Wow, really wild, you know, because most motorcycles, the drive is on the left, yeah?
Yeah.
Brake is on the right.
So 48 tooth sprocket, they go up to 60. So if you get a 60 tooth sprocket, it's more like a Charles bike.
Yeah.
The things start getting, they'll be pulling wheelies all over.
Crazy power.
Yeah. But it won't go, it will take away from the top speed. So you're not going to go.
Wow, rock shocks. This is the
So this is a
Boxer.
Upgraded. This is an upgraded forks.
Yeah.
So when I bought it, they said that's what it's gonna come with. But they said once they sell out of those rock shocks, they're gonna go back to the older model.
The junk.
Yeah, it's not as good.
Yeah, this
These
one is
shocks are
good.
super good.
Yeah. You get compression and compression on one side.
Rebond on the bottom.
Yeah.
And then air charge.
Yeah, air charge on the left. Wow. What is the range?
You can go about 25 miles on one charge.
Wow.
So a good idea would be to go till you get 50% on your battery, and then turn around and come back.
And street legal because it's a bike.
You can. It's not street legal right now, but you can get it street legal.
Whoa.
So you can get a bicycle license. This is the battery indicator.
Battery indicator.
Yeah. So right.
What the thing show?
What is that? 98.
98%.
Yeah. And then this is you get top speed, and then.
Oh, it's like one. Wow, like one speedo right there. Wow, so, really?
And then sport.
Sport mode.
And then EP mode. EP is extended.
Oh.
So if I ride it in EP, sample for you, it's not as.
Oh yeah. Try to do an EP. Wow. That's just like power saver mode, eh? Should do them sport mode.
And that's sport mode.
Wow! Mark, I tell you, Mark is a good rider, bro. He's a good rider. Wow, that's crazy. That's scary. Wow. Scary kind of power. Lucky thing you good brakes. And the brakes is hydraulic. Oh, hydraulic, look.
Yeah, so it has these
Wow.
hydraulic brakes,
Oh,
identical
yeah.
disc front and back. But it's pretty powerful.
Yeah, I seen you stop. Wow. When you got this thing?
Last month.
4,300 you got them for shipped.
The shipping was so I had to pay full price for shipping, $430.
Wow.
But if you get 2 of them, you cut the price in half, so it would be $215 per bike.
Wow.
Well, my friend bought 2, and his shipping still came out to $430.
But you get 2.
Yeah.
So you cut that in half.
Yeah.
Woo.
Leg ride.
No, I'm good. Thank you. I'm good. I'll buy you this. Mark, you're not light, kid. He's a heavyweight, this guy. Pretty good, yeah, the suspension.
I'm 200 pounds.
I know, as I was saying on the camera there. You're not a lightweight. Wow, you took them all the way up.
I'm using the whole thing.
I seen them earlier. I had them filming. I don't know if you guys were paying attention to that, but it was about halfway, 3/4 of the way. So right over here, he took them to bottom them out on the front. Wow. But the back, I don't think you bottom the back, yeah?
Oh, the back is good. That shit.
Yeah. Maybe it look like you need a little bit more air in that for sure. Yeah?
So they have this. This is your sag indicator. You gotta look at it from this side. Check them on the other side.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
This is your sag indicator.
Yeah.
So I gotta pull this down.
Yeah.
And then I gotta get on top of it with all my riding gear
Yeah.
and stand up on the pegs and see where it's at.
Yeah.
That's how you adjust the air.
Oh. You
But
know
it
what
does-
some guys do too? They put weights inside one backpack that would emulate their riding
Yeah.
gear and adjust sag that way.
I'm pretty sure I don't have enough air in it.
Yeah. Look like if you're in bottom of money over here. Yeah?
It's sagged all the way out.
Plus you're pretty aggressive, so
Oh yeah.
yeah.
And I over there get those hills over there.
Yeah.
Right off there. Just like nothing. Just like that.
Wow. No, I'm good. Thank you very much. Yeah, look like he is a handful in sport mode. Like on BMW, this thing. Looks pretty good though. How do you protect underneath there with that metal? I don't know if that's gonna be strong enough.
Not strong.
And this part over here gonna need a little bit better protection.
Luna Cycle makes aftermarket skid plate for it.
Yeah. I would think so because that look more like decoration than gonna do you any one rock and you can be history.
Yeah.
Especially right in this section right here is very vulnerable. Yeah.
This side right here.
Yeah.
See all of these?
Yeah, all of that, yeah, is like you don't want to be banging that.
Stick one stick in there and you're done.
Wow, that's beautiful, man.
Yeah. And guess who makes these?
Who
Guess
make-
what country makes these?
China.
China. But look at the quality of
I know. They're getting
Look at
better.
them.
Look at the welds.
Look at this.
Look at the welds.
Crazy.
You can tell. You look at the welds, you can tell. You know, before it was bird crap welds, but now you look at them, it's Honda quality kind welds.
Nice.
Really nice welds. And you can tell, when they're marking stuff like this, that means that, hey,
They torque
you know,
everything.
yeah, everything, I'm good. So, yeah. Sur-ron. Thing come with 2 keys, look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Came with this. And,
Nice
a lot
stuff.
of people take these handlebars and change it to the high bars.
Right.
Bars that are about this high.
Right.
And if you ride it like this, it feels better. Like when I stand up, I feel like I'm way over the front.
Right.
So I got.
You stay in an attack position all the time.
Much,
Yeah. So maybe bring the. You know what you can do too is instead of raising the actual bar, you can get bar risers that will rise this up. But you only gonna get maybe 2 inches because that's what bicycle guys do. You know, I did my dad's 2 inches. You can get on bar riser.
I don't know if they have.
They get. That's a standard size right there.
This neck is standard?
Yeah, standard. Bicycle. Look like a bicycle neck. So what they do is they put a bar riser on top of this.
Yeah.
You just make a measurement and then I'm sure you get one out there.
Gotta have it.
Yeah, 2 inches. Yeah. 2 inches could do you a lot.
This is mountain bike.
Yeah.
Forks, right? So
But
I'm sure this is a mountain bike.
Yeah, you can get one, what they call riser, eh? Rise them up. Yeah, it looks really nice, man. Wow, you can really hear the tire. Really, you hear them. You really hear the tire really grabbing onto the asphalt. You hear them. Wow. Scary griptions. The suspension. Wow, try the horn. Wow, everything is pretty robust, yeah? And then the tires, I was going to say earlier, is CST, formerly known as Maxxis, formerly known as Chengxing tires.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you look at this tire on this side, they really putting out the CST. If you look right over here, try to look. See the CST?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, CST on this side too. Chengxing tires. Yeah, but then they cannot make money selling Chinese tires, right? So if they make them think, wow, CST, what is that? And the seat looks pretty KTM-ish. Yeah, kind of look like something you would find on KTM. Yeah, firm but not couch kind. Yeah, perfect. Some aluminum pegs. Wow. Not too bad too if you fall off a cliff with this. Not too bad getting it back up, eh?
No, it only weighs 110 pounds.
110 pounds.
You can carry it.
Wow.
You know what I mean?
Oh, not bad. Try to do that on their bike.
Yeah.
Pick up the whole thing.
Well, some strong guys can.
Some strong guys. Sur Ron. Right. Oh. Okay, now Mark gonna let me ride him. Oh. So I get him now in sport mode, which is the acceleration. Oh, that's crazy, yeah. Alright.
That'll go all the way up.
Yeah, try him again. Now he increased the air pressure to 150. Earlier he had 120 or 120 or right around there. But that was a pretty big. He never do that the last time. But he did do this right here. This is where the thing would G out. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it, Mark.
I think if I can get
Yeah, right there. That's the setting, 150. Oh yeah, that's beautiful, man. Look at that right there. And then he really went hammer him. Wow. Looks good. 150, and then he got some hand guards, some donation. Wow, looks good. But he had some problems with the other side. He was telling me something about the throttle, get some kind of a plastic insert, so you gotta bore that out. Or modify the hand guard pitching that go inside. You know there's a pitching there. Only local people know there's a pitching. That's the switch, yeah, pitching. Oh, that's old, bro, pitching. Anyway, shows how old I am. Alright. Okay, have a good one. Sure. Okay, go get him, Mark. Oh, looks nice, man. Boom, boom, boom. Whee! All the way home. Yeah, I know. Whee! Yeah, dog. all the way home. Lacey, come Lacey. I'm gonna take video of you, baby. Come, come girl. Look, you wanna be a star? Yeah, you can be a star. Come, let's be a star together. Come on, come on girl. You'll be a star. Where's grandma?